Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Identify Quantity by Scan of Barcode in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This powerful tool allows user to instantly detect product quantities by simply scanning barcodes, eliminating manual counting and reducing errors. Whether in warehouse, retail or POS, this module streamlines stock management, improve accuracy and enhance workflow. With real-time updates and seamless integration with Odoo's inventory system, managing stock level has never been faster or easier. So first of all, we will hop onto the inventory module. Under configuration, we will find a menu named barcode scanned product. Click on that and here you can see the products which is scanned. You can also open a product and see the details of that product. Here you can see the details for cable management box as barcode, sales price, on-hand quantity, forecasted quantity and also internal reference. Now we will go to the product variant and we will select any random product variant here. I am selecting acoustic block screen. So under that you will find a field name barcode and also barcode image. So now I am going to scan my product. And you can see a barcode is updated in the barcode field. Now for the barcode image, you need to save this barcode first. As you can see, after saving the product, you can see a barcode image is created with the barcode number we just added. And now if I try to scan this barcode, a product detail pop-up will generate. Here you can also see all the product details with barcode number, on-hand quantity and forecasted quantity. And here you can see the product quantity is 0 on hand and forecasted also. Now again we will hop on to the barcode scanned products and here you can see acoustic block screen is scanned. Here you can see all the details of the acoustic blocks, sales price, internal reference, on-hand quantity and forecasted quantity. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.